today is 18th, my payout day. Yeah, and I just logged in and I noticed that the account has been reset. I had a profit of $125 here yesterday, and I just opened the account. Then I can see that it's 5,000 again. So let me just go in and show you what's in there. All right, so we're here now, and everything is reset. Back to 5,000, zeros everywhere. Um, okay, I think next thing to do is just go to the payout section, which is right here. And as you can see right here, it says $100 withdrawable profit. Yeah, so they've deducted the 80%. Sorry, they are 20% out of the balance. I had a balance of $125 as at the end of yesterday, and it says I can withdraw this amount now. So I'll just go on and withdraw it. Payout request. I'll click on it now. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I clicked on it here, and I can now proceed to next. And payout method. I think I've seen people withdrawing with Rise, so let me try Rise. And I'll just go ahead and submit. Okay, OTP sent to my email. Okay, so it says where your payout request is officially submitted and under review. Stay tuned for updates. Okay, I guess that will be all for now. And yeah, it says hold. And under review, yeah. Then the timer, I think it's the timer, but it's not counting yet. Alright, so guys, that will be all for now. As soon as I get the payout in my account, I would let you guys know. Hi guys, so I'm back again, and this is 7 hours after I placed that withdrawal. And here that then it was showing this amount was over here, withdrawable profit, and now you can see it's under here, disbursed amount, I mean. And here you see the brand promise of FundedNext, that they pay in less than 24 hours. So this money landed my Rise account in 7 hours 22 minutes. Okay, so this is it. Requested amount $100.44. There's nothing to see here, just the payment status. Then this is the payout proof, a link to the payout proof. Yeah, so this is it. And if I go to my Rise account now, you'll see the money right there. Alright, so this is it, sitting right in my Rise account, and from here I can do anything with the money. I can withdraw it to my local account, I can withdraw it into my crypto wallet, whatever I want to do with it. Alright, so this is a proof that FundedNext pays, and in less than 24 hours, very importantly. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Hello guys, I was able to get a payout today, just this morning. In fact, it just came in, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, although I'm not very happy, but I'm happy because I was able to trade the account until I got a payout. You know what it means to trade an account until you get a payout? It means that you were consistent, because you would have to cross the phase 1 first at 8%, then you have to cross the phase 2 at 4%. So if you are not a consistent trader, there's no way you can achieve this, and that's the main reason why I am happy today. $100 is small, Yeah, even by my own standards, $100 is small because you know what they say. If you are going to trade forex and you're successful, you need to have something doing, so you don't depend on the income you make, or you don't depend on the first set of income you make for your lifestyle. That's for your feeding and for your basic spendings. Yeah, so $100 is small, but it shows progress because this is the first ever money I am withdrawing from forex and from a prop firm account too. So I'm very very happy about that. And from now is next steps. Yeah, so let's assume this was a 100K account. It would have been $2,000. Yeah, 2%. $100 is 2% of 5,000. Yeah, so it would have been $2,000 in my account right now. Then I can see, yeah, yeah, I can be very happy about that. Yeah, that because I don't think my salary right now is up to $2,000. Yeah, you know how Nigeria is. Even $1,000, my salary is not up to that. Even $500. If you look deep, my salary is not $500. Yeah, with current exchange rate. So if I'm able to get 2% of a higher account, then definitely I'll be very happy. But for $100, I'm not. This money is not for spending. I've said it many times, and this goes back to why I said you need to have something doing so that you don't depend on the income you get, because it's about scaling up. Anyway, it depends on people. Like me, I started with the least amount, the least cost of account, which is $32. So even if you look back at that, spending $32 to now earn $100, that's three times your return on investment, which is good. So, but that's not my goal. My goal is a 100K account, and the only way I can get this 100K account is either I pay for it from my own pocket, or I use this small account to raise up the money for that big account. And that's the later is what I'm going to do, because I've bought a couple of challenge accounts in the past. I don't want to spend that huge amount of money. Apart from the fact that it's even expensive, if I should exchange my salary into dollars, I think it's $450 for the Stellar Light 100K account, and five no $400 for the Stellar Light account, and $550 for the normal Stellar account, the one that you get a payout share from challenge phase. Yeah, so I wouldn't want to cough out $550 from my own salary or from my own hustle in Nigeria to pay for that account, because if I'm going to do that, then it means that I'm looking at something in the range of 700,000. Yeah, it should be around 700 or even 800,000. That's a lot of money in this country. Yeah, so my plan is to save up from these small challenges and use it to get the large account. And even if I cannot get the 100K account, I can get a 50K account. 50K account is not bad. I think it's around $300. Yeah, so if I get a 50K account, I'm good, because the payouts are. If this was a 50K account, for instance, I won't be receiving $100. I'll be receiving $1,000, which is still a very good amount of money, and then I can scale up from there. So that's the plan right now, and that's why I'm very happy, because of the progress, and I know that my strategy works, and I can scale it up from here. So that's it for the withdrawal. The other reason why I said I'm not so happy is because of my performance lately. My performance has been very poor. On Friday night, I did a video detailing how my previous days went, and you could see in that video that I made loss on Thursday and I made another loss on Friday. But I made 1 hour loss on Thursday and I made 2 hour loss on Friday. That's 3 hours on my challenge account. That's 3% gone, and it's very very saddening. Then to cap it all off, yesterday I wasn't supposed to trade yesterday, but when you see the possibility of a trade, then I just decided to go into the trade, and that was how the trade went against me and took me out again at 1%. And if you recall, I was supposed to be. I told you I was going to withdraw $170 something on Friday, but I ended up withdrawing $100, and that was because I made a mistake of taking a trade on my funded account yesterday. And this happened because I have three different accounts I'm trading, and these three different accounts can be, sometimes if I don't look very well, I could be inputting the wrong lot size, because the lot size for the three of them are different. I'm trading 1% on two and 0.5% on my funded, so the lot sizing is different. So if I don't look at it very well, I may even put the wrong lot size on the account, and so that was what happened yesterday. I was not even supposed to trade that account at all. But when I opened it, I thought it was my challenge account, and before I knew what was happening, I already placed a trade on it. And the same syndrome that has been happening to me, it went straight to loss. Like, I don't know what was going on. the moment I enter into the trade, I don't even get to see one blue. It goes straight to loss, and that's what I suffered again yesterday. So that's why I say I'm not so happy, because I need to find a way to steady this ship again. The last time I said this was like 3 weeks ago, and I ended up steadying the ship. So I need to find another way. I need to find a way, desperate way to steady this ship, because right now I am 4% plus down, and that's it's very very painful. Imagine being 4% down on your phase two account. Phase two account is just by the corner, very very close to your funded account. I'm 4% down there right now. In fact, I'm just trying to be very careful. I'm just going to pick my trades very carefully. I'm not going to rush into it. In fact, I probably just keep the crosses aside and focus on the main ones: pound USD, Euro USD, NZ USD, gold, and maybe Nasdaq. Because those ones, at least, if you are wrong today, then there's possibility that you'll be right tomorrow. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I won't be happy. I really would not be happy if I lose this account. Even though I'm funded, I'm getting paid from the funded account, I still need this account, at least, to build that ego and build that confidence in me that I still know what I'm doing. All right, so that's how I feel. You can congratulate me in the comment section if you care. Congratulate me for receiving my first payout, and I'm sure there will be many more to come. And I'm sure you want to follow me to see how I do this, how I'm able to consistently stay profitable in this game. It's really, really not easy, but it is possible. All right, guys, let me just show you the one miserable trade I took yesterday, and then my FundedNext account. All right, guys. So this is the only trade I took yesterday on pound card, and it was a loss, as you already know. Yes, so but the reason why I took this trade is because if you look at it on daily, yes, this break of ascending channel, and then it's back to this strong resistance support level. As you can see in the past, this level has held strongly, so I expect that it was going to hold again this period. And you can see this daily time frame, by the way. You can see this big bullish candle, this big green one here, showing that there are presence of buyers in this market, and that was my main reason for having a bullish bias on this market. Then if you go on the 4-hour time frame, you would see these big bullish candles which has broken back above this level. So in my mind, I felt that okay, this would be like a retracement and then continuation to the upside, which is right, or which is supposed to be right, I should say. And then on the 1-hour time frame, I already plot my channel, which I believe was going to support price to the upside. And then you can see some rejection candles here as well. Remember, this is 1-hour time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejection candles, and each of them had higher lows as they were rejecting. So for me, it was a good reason, or a good possibility for it to continue to the upside. Yeah, so everything aligns up to this point. And then on 15 minutes time frame, you would even see it a bit more clearly. So we have the impulse, which is this one that came up here, and then we had this retracement, and so we started seeing this pattern like it was going to continue to the upside, like bullish pattern. You can see this strong rejection here. Then we have this break of this level, and then on retracement I expected to get in and then secure my stop loss somewhere around these lows. And maybe I went in a bit early though, because I should have waited for a clear break of this level, that is a full body candle close around this region, then on retracement we go in. But I thought that I felt that this bullish candles, bullish signs were enough, and I wanted to enter early. And sometimes this happens, so when we want to go in early, we end up not confirming the move before entering the trade. And that was exactly what happened, and that was how this trade ended up in a loss. So that was the only trade I took yesterday. Today I don't know if I'll be trading. I think there's news on pound and card, and I don't know if I'll be able to find a good opportunity, but I hope I do. And even aside that, I have to be very careful too, because I wouldn't want to take one more loss right now on this account. I need some profits, even if the loss is going to come again, but I need to make some profits. All right, let me show you my FundedNext account, guys. All right, guys, so these are my accounts, and straight away you can see that they are all not smiling. Yeah, and it's all part of trading. You cannot expect to all be smiley throughout. So it's all right. Let me just go into this phase 2 account so you can see the, because this is the 5k account that was reset, and my first trade today already is a loss. So I don't think there's anything much to show here for now. Let me just go into the phase 2 account so you can see the past history. Okay, so straight away you can see that I am 5.37% down. This is so sad because this is the first time I'm ever coming as deep as this in the last maybe 2 months. So it's reality, man. It's reality, guys. It's a phase 2 account, and that even makes it more painful because we are very close to the funded account. But there is still hope. Please, I still have at least 3 more trades to take on this account, or even 4. So there is still hope. All hope is not lost. I just have to carefully pick my next few trades. I know I've been saying this, but it's been going the opposite way. But we just keep on doing what we're doing. Nothing changes. Okay, so next thing I would like to show you is my equity curve, which I've always been proud of in the past, but I'm not proud of this current one because this is very unlike me. My performance has not been this bad. If I go into the trading history, you can see straight away that it's just losses. There's no even one win, one mistake of a win. The last win I had was on Wednesday last week. Yeah, so there's no even win. Look at it here. This is 13th, and 13th is Wednesday last week. 13th is Wednesday last week. So that's the last win I've had. So it's all losses, and even more losses. It makes me really feel bad, but I know that that's how the business I signed up for can be sometimes. And this is my equity curve. This is very strange. I've never had an equity curve as bad as this, but it's happening and it's real. So I don't know how it will be from now henceforth. I don't know if it's going to go up or if it's just going to keep going down. But I guess we'll get to see. Whatever happens, we keep it moving. Alright guys, so that's all I have today. On not a sad note, but on an happy note, I would say bye to you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.